Alright, we're here on the Carnival Paradise, Room E46. It's fairly spacious. 190 square feet, you said?
I think 180.
180 square feet?
It's equivalent to a balcony on other ships.
You got an extra bed there. A lot of like unused negative space. There's no chair, no couch. This is an ocean view.
Which is this.
Yep. Which of course.
Can't see it?
Yeah.
There we go.
And of course the queen/king size bed. Do have 120 volt outlets, USBs on the side of.
Yeah, on each side.
Yep. So this being one of, or no, the oldest
ship they have right now.
that Carnival has. That's I mean, it's not terrible for sure.
Well, they got that updated, like looking up.
Just came out of dry dock, yeah. So here we have shelves.
There's drawers too, I saw.
Yep. Closet space. Closet space.
With a mirror.
Yep, with nearly full length mirror. But you know, not full length for me. And the bathroom, this is right here. You can't, it's hard to tell, but this thing's pretty big for a bathroom. No tub, walk-in shower, which is pretty standard. Hi. And then you have plenty of room for the commode. I've had that complaint in the past, and yeah, there's me. Hi. Yeah, that's our room.
Refrigerator.
Oh, and the refrigerator, most important, cooler, because it's not really a fridge.
Does it feel cool at all?
Yeah, it's cool. It's just not, you know, it's not a refrigerator.
I know.
It's cooler.